to our video demo for the Gemma3n Impact Challenge. Our project, GeoGemma3n, is a privacy-first on-device LLM for visual geolocation. This idea was born from my love of GeoGuessr. I started playing and watching YouTubers during COVID, and it was an amazing way to feel connected to the world and learn about different cultures when we couldn't travel. But it's also really hard to get good at, and I want to make this kind of geographic learning accessible to everyone. The best tools for this, like the powerful language models, are often closed source, and this raises privacy concerns and a lack of control. Thankfully, a lot of things are coalescing to allow this technology to be run locally. First, we have open source training libraries, such as Unsloth and its various open source extensions, such as this VLM GRPO extension by Gadsell. And we also have Google Colab, which democratizes compute. And then we have a lot of papers recently showing that, yes, you could fine-tune a smaller language model using both regular techniques and GRPO to make them competitive with the closed large language models. And then with the launch of Gemma3n, we saw an opportunity to tackle this problem ourselves. Our approach was to fine-tune Gemma3n using Unsloth. First, we would create a diverse dataset by pulling images from various sources and augmenting them with geocaptions from the closed LLMs. We also made a reverse geocoder to add precise geographic labels from multiple open source databases. And then as you can see here, during our training, we used a rank of 64 and a LoRa alpha of 128 to try and get the fine-tuning to teach the model as much as possible. It worked pretty well as the lots converged. We then tried to do GRPO to further refine the model's responses. However, we were facing issues with unstable reward functions and unstable training. And due to a lack of compute and time, we weren't able to fully implement this part of our plan. We also made however, we do still have the fine-tuned model, and we made a notebook to demo it. As you can see here, when you choose a random image from Venice, the model is able to guess correctly that it is in Venice. We originally also wanted to create a Ollama app to do the geolocation locally, to run that model locally. Unfortunately, there's a lack of multimodal support for Gemma3n. So we decided to make a demo with another model in the family, Gemma3 4B. This is just a demo because the Ollama doesn't have multimodal support, but basically what you can do is you can capture images and you can send them directly to Ollama, where it'll give you a response. And and this will be all run locally. I just want to thank Google Gemma team, Unsloth, and Gladsell for providing all the resources necessary, and thank you. Bye.